नमस्ते दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका इलेक्ट्रॉनिक एंड कम्युनिकेशन इंजीनियरिंग रिसर्चर पर, जहां टेक्नोलॉजी को हम आसान और मजेदार बनाते हैं। आज हम बात करेंगे एक ऐसे स्किल की जो दुनिया बदल रही है, वेब डेवलपमेंट। अगर आप एक वेबसाइट या ऐप बनाना चाहते हो तो यह वीडियो आपके लिए है। तो शुरू करें। Web development involves creating websites and apps that are functional, interactive, and visually appealing. It's divided into two main parts: front-end, which users see, and back-end, which handles the logic behind the scenes. Front-end development is all about what the user sees. Using HTML for structure, CSS for design, and JavaScript for interactivity, you can turn an idea into a stunning user interface. Back-end development is the brain of the operation. Here, you use languages like Python, Node.js, or PHP to handle server logic, and databases like MySQL or MongoDB to store and retrieve data. Full-stack developers master both sides, front-end and back-end. They can design, develop, and deploy complete solutions, making them highly in demand in the tech world. Start small but think big. Begin with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, then move on to frameworks like React for front-end and Node.js for back-end. Remember, every project you build is a step closer to mastery. To stand out, learn version control with Git, explore APIs, and master responsive design. Don't forget to keep testing your code and deploy your projects on platforms like Netlify or AWS. Web development is your gateway to shaping the internet. With the right tools and dedication, you can bring your ideas to life. So what are you waiting for? Start your journey today. अगर आपको यह वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें। मैं हूं नीरज कुमार और आप देख रही The Electronic and Communication Engineering Researcher. See you in the next video. Happy coding!